Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update the software of your POCO X8 Pro, X8 Pro Max, POCO F8 Ultra or any of the POCO, Redmi, Xiaomi smartphones to have the latest and the best Android features on your devices. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi. After that, all you have to do is go to the settings. And then here at the top you will find the About Phone section. Just tap on this, and then here at the Xiaomi HyperOS part, just tap on it and it will start checking whether any software update is available for your device or not. And as you can see, there is a software update available for my POCO X8 Pro, and here is the changelog that what all new features this particular software update is going to bring to my POCO X8 Pro. As you can see, it's a huge list. So if you tap on this, an update is available. Then here you can see it is a huge software package, 800 MB in size. So now all you have to do is just tap on this download update button, and downloading of the software package will be started. Depending on the size of the software package, it might take some time. So downloading of the software package is completed and the extraction of the file is going on. So the whole process is completed. Now all you have to do is tap on the reboot now button. Now the device will reboot and the installation of the software package will be started. And once the rebooting is completed, the downloaded software will be installed on your POCO X8 Pro or whatever Xiaomi, Redmi, POCO smartphone you got. So the device is rebooted. And here you can see updated system successfully. So this is how you can update the software and OS of any of your POCO, Redmi, Xiaomi smartphones. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.